Hello, in this video tutorial we would like to show how you can download and install the Opera browser on this POCO X4 GT smartphone. So first of all, you want to open up the Play Store. At the search bar, type in Opera just like so. Once the needed app is found, you want to go ahead and click on the green install button, or in my case it is the update button. After that, just open the app. In here, tap on this blue continue button. Decide whether some of the options this browser has will be enabled from the start, or you can always skip and leave the configuration process for later. I'll enable ad blocking, enable tracker blocking, and skip setting Opera as my default browser step. Finally, there is the page that allows you to choose whether you want for the accesses and permissions that this browser requires to be customized, or just allow everything that it needs, which I'll choose myself. And that is pretty much it. You can start using the browser. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.